Ayan, kailangan bumalik paakyat dahil ang tagal ni Michael. Hala, baka naman naligaw ako.
చెప్పమ్మా అన్న వేరే చోట ఉన్నాడమ్మా.
Good morning! Good morning!
Say good morning.
Look up. Look. Morning! Okay, we're here in... Saan ba? Ano ba ito? Long Neck something. Long Neck Village. Ito yung entrance. Yung Long Neck, ito yung maraming rings sa leg.
Kasi ano, tinanong ninyo, kahit anong sintawa, marito?
But this one not supposed to be. Actually, when we want to smoke the opium, we smoke from the flower. But this one, no flower. But why the local people, they grow this one in the village? Because of this one, we call ganchong. Ganchong, same type with the cannabis, but different. This one cannot smoke, not yummy, cannot smoke. But this one can put in the soup. Everyone, when we cook in the soup, we make like the food for the soup, something like that. We put the monosodium glutamate, the white powder, put in the soup, right? But this one is similar with the monosodium glutamate from the natural. If we put this one in the soup, make the taste of the soup is more yummy. The effect of this one, that is okay for your healthy. It's like the herbal. But if you eat more a lot, it means like make you more thirsty. But if you feel thirsty, you can eat a lot. It means like the food is feel yummy. But actually you thirsty, not yummy. This one just only put in the soup only. It's not dangerous. And in Thailand we call cannabis. In my language we call gancha. But this one we call ganchong. Just similar with the cannabis, but not cannabis.
Hindi ko alam, ngayon lang nakita ng ganito pala itsura niyan sa personal. Daming vlogger dito. Daming vlogger. Ayan na. Nakaakit na tayo. Yun na. Medyo madali.
Special for her because of, please look at her ears. She wearing the big earring, but she not wear the ring on the neck, but she wear the ring on the knees. The meanings of the ring on like the big ear one, the big earring, more big is more beautiful, and the long one is mean more long, is more long life. The meanings of the ring on the knees is mean the like more thin is more beautiful, or more thin is more sexy. We have big ear Karen, we have long neck Karen, we have white Karen, and we have black Karen also. Four type of the Karen, four type of the Karen. But another Hue tribe, just only one. Like a Hamon Hue tribe, just only one. Aka Hue tribe, just only one. Something like that. Just only Karen. We have four type of the Karen. And this beautiful woman, she come from big ear Karen. This one before, from whom, so sorry, I don't know that. And she keep this one to show the tourists who come to visit here, show about how many kilogram and how long on her neck before. Longest in the world. This is the 33 to 34, something like that. Everyone, and the last question, this one is very important to know because of I always get this question when I come here, what happened with her when she take it off.
Water wheel. Yes. Yay. Thank you. So, nakabili na ako na parang cover up ata yun. Pwedeng pamasok, tsaka pwedeng pang breastfeeding. The-etches lang yun. Maganda lang talaga siya. Bababa na. And then, ito pa pala. Ang dami nagtutour. And then after this, is we're going to White Temple naman. Mamaya natin makikita. Ang tagal naman ng mga kasama ko. Tagal ni Michael. Kailangan natin bumalik. Yan. Para lang, yung feeling niya dito, para kung nasa Baguio. Yung mga tribo-tribo sa Baguio. Pero dito, ito, medyo elevated ng konti kasi international. Pero kung yung feeling niya dito, it's more like Baguio. Very, province talaga. Province! Ayan, kailangan bumalik paakyat dahil ang tagal ni Michael. Hala, baka naman naligaw ako. Ayun! Ayun sila, oh. Ayun, oh. Saan galing? Yung? Bull?
Buffalo yan.
Ah, talaga?
Sabi,
Ah,
sabi niya, mo.
mu. That's not a cow. That's not a cow, Luca.
Tapang na to.
Oh, Luca. Sheep, oh. What does the sheep say?
Ba.
What does the sheep say? There, oh. There's a sheep.
Ba.
What does the sheep say? Wow.
Parang goat yan. Hindi-
Goat ba yan?
Nakalagay sa sign sheep eh, pero parang goat. Ewan ko.
Goat nga, ito oh. Goat pala. Ayan oh, goat. Baka yung sa kabila, sheep. Oh, it's a prank.